Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Queenie. Now Queenie have with her a guy posing to be her cousin, and he's telling her that she needs to go do Obia on the side check so that she will leave with Joey. Queenie got very upset about this because it offended her that someone would tell her about Ovia. She said that I don't indulge in those stuff, which is right. You don't need to do anybody nothing. You just leave them to God, and that's what she said she's going to do. Leave her to God, and God will do the rest. So that's really, really, really good of Queenie that she came out and she defended herself that she's not into those stuff. And, she's just leaving her to God. Anything, that happens is going to happen naturally. So please watch the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
That me hot girl, me no need for do nothing for survive. If me for do she something, that mean me a queen. So in my heart, me gonna say, oh, is that baggy me get one? No. Me have to survive naturally. Me not fix no blood clot body. But people that panic so want fix people. So them you have to tell about your work what you do.
Yeah.
You tell them.
All right. £300 processing fee. So when you send it £300,
that sound cheap. I saw like robbery, but talk.
No,
it sound cheap.
Eh?
That sound like robbery. Go on.
But Obi are not cheap.
So when am I get £300 for you do? What you do? You read people, you fix people draws. What you do?
All right, let me tell you what I do. I set the date for them, get the Obia man. So I call the Obia man, schedule the appointment, and when them come on the date, them pay the rest of money.
Oh, you have the. So you're the third party.
Yes. Just like you that have a Spectrum insurance broker, where so you pay the insurance money, and then where they are using.
That's what we got to.
So me like,
you want to look at IT boss. Because I mean, get your little hustling. So basically, he's like a what them call it? He's like a rep. He's like a rep then.
Rep. Yeah, I'm like a rep or an agent. I'm an agent. But me want the woman
people
to
buy
know.
Obeana. It's like how some people buy bleaching cream. I saw some people buy Obeana. So really, for fact, I'm not the one to dictate to who to do whatever. So if you know what Obeana, my cousin have the Obeana.
But one Senator live if you know, say you have a cousin in Jamaica where you can know about Obia, and anytime she take
Cause don't talk about the girl. Make the girl famous, and I don't need to. I don't want to elaborate about. Me no want she sit down. Me not care about her. She try to tease my husband and try to mash up my life. Me no want to talk about her because you see that what she do. It's enough to forget about her. That's why I put her on my page too. It's me put it back to make the words there.
Queenie, you know about the Obia to Kaya squeeze the green lime. So don't go like you don't know a little bit about it. You know a green line a powerful
Listen, don't come here. Don't come here, come defend my blood clot character. Come tell me know nothing about no blood clot phobia. Don't make a root to you in the morning. Listen to me. Lime, me naturally take my green lime for cut disaster. Me not tell nobody for pay me no blood clot 3 bills to no phobia for time no girl draws. Me no blood clot desperate. Me sweet and nice and loving. Me no need blood clot phobia. God am my phobia. God am my strength and God am my guide. Me no need no blood clot over. So whosoever you is for say your family I send your name back. No blood clot come tell me about Queenie I go like you know look over. Don't try to disturb my peace, madam. Don't bring your argument to me. Me no want hear. Cause this I get too fucking far. It is rather rude. Don't come draw me in your thing, madam. A girl a disrespect blood clot me and me can't catch her. So me tell me green lime for cut off the crosses off of me. Don't introduce me. Come on from my bomber clot something I love blood clot me and go. I leave blood clot me alone. Come on from me something I don't even know about your family. No blood clot me. Wash out blood clot over your family. No blood clot me. But I go center, but I never over no blood clot body car right now. Me have some people that want blood clot over, but I can't. That and me. Me not singing on a Obia man. For no Obia man do nobody know. No many girls still with our drawers. It's not that fucking deep. Do we get maybe 5.5 blood clot fuck from March till now? When me go over girl for a girl, me no business with the blood clot girl. I put the girl on my platform. I make the world see her. Me make her famous. Me no need for over. Low blood clot about me and your cousin. I must ask my mother who you. So I mean, make people sympathize me. The first thing him come and tell me about, now make nobody dry out. You want me to slang and then make people take liberty where they say, me have an idiot cousin, you know. Because they're in England and them liar blood clot, tell them I come bring boy but no, look where bomba clot. How much family me have? And the one family where you claims come and tell me about Obi, I go like, me no know nothing about blood clot, Obi, I done come in and work blood clot, Obi, you hear that? Yeah, my cut and clear crosses and call to the Almighty any blood clot thing. Me a dollar me cost 100 blood clot. Me call pan, God a me call pan. Don't come irritate me na the man about fucking Queen. Me a go like, me no know about what I think to don't. I heard about it, I don't involve with it. Me no do any blood clot quitty. That's why I'm awful and me if I take a girl draws, I liberty that I take with the people them girl pitney as well. Me no be no blood clot girl, nowhere. Fucking liberty in the first place. Listen, me avoid it, I tell you. Leave the girl alone. Leave the. I saw someone wicked. I see him thing would I take my drawers and I forget my drawers. I said, maybe all my blood clot drawers want to take care of a girl, you and your friend. The same Obi man. Maybe I that another and try mash up me and blood clot. Do you think I'm mixing of that? You think me I want somebody to take my blood clot drawers? Love me! Love me dirty nasty blood clot. Me pure. You hear that? Me don't even know you. Well, cause me that child inquiry, blah, blah, blah. I trace where I come from, Santa. I don't want to know you either. Matter of fact. I don't fucking want to know you either. Low blood clot. Me, you think you can spring from now? Come tell me, what me for do? Who you? Why you think people saying you start watch me this morning? And cause I make them dry out. Why you want them sit down and then them take your squad for a walk over? Enough blood clot girlfriend and me enough boy. I mean like that. I have to approach this blood clot woman with caution. You hear that? Me no walk blood clot over. Me no over argument. You stink no blood clot. Don't make a disrespect here, fam. You take a joke to blood clot far now. I know where you cut me from. You say your family. I was playing my daughter's song. You didn't say R.I.P. to her. The first thing you want to come to control me. If you carry my name to the Obia man, for the Obia man, make me come off the internet. Don't make them draw you out. How much time now? I phone the name them I call? When you sit down with a room with 20 somebody, and you sit down as them say Queenie, it draw your attention. Subconsciously, naturally. Enough your name them I call. I never come and say one nice song my cause. Ray, blah, blah. Yeah, come tell me about, now make them draw you out, you know. Like, go boy, you did at my wedding. Which one you did at my wedding? I don't remember you either. Fucking lie. Me lose a child, me lose someone that make me smile all the time. Thinking of the time, surely stand for right by my side. Motivate me to go to mine. Starting a day after swimming in my prime. Saying the way they made me to smile. As much as me see the girl and my husband and lap up and me know do it fuck her, I don't care about the girl. Let me tell you the difference with me. Girl is a threat to me. You see the message I'm having on my phone when she said she gonna send the video to her to do a wife. When she send that message from in June. Remember from March she get the fucking on. So I think I yesterday fuck. So me have the message in my phone when she said she gonna send me.